Students in today class? Any new students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Online students? Okay. Vivek Raj Singh? Yeah, please don't take any admission in this batch. Okay, na? You will suffer a lot in coming classes. Clear? Please find some other trainer. So maybe I'm not suitable to you. Clear? You can drop now. You can do some other. You can find some other trainer. Yeah, other people, can you please try? Today is the first class. How many of you online students? So for third class itself, you are saying, value of the time. There is no value to the time you are feeling. And third day. Huh? Very good. So last 22 years, what you are doing, Bhaiya? So today, suddenly you got realized that the time is very much valuable. That too demo class now. In demo class also, you are giving too much value to the time. Very good. Okay, guys. So that's why this type of people will trouble a lot in the coming days. That's why I'm requesting people who suddenly realized giving value to the time, please don't take admission. Okay, no? People who are giving value to the subject to learn to become software engineer, then only join the class. People who missed last class, you have yesterday class, today class. Where is that? Yeah, Kanvisne Rajakumar, your messages are I'm seeing. Yeah. So these are the two videos are there yesterday class. This is yesterday class, first day, and this is a second day, day 1, day 2. I'm sharing day 2 video. Yeah, I'll tell you how to pay fees and all, don't worry. Yeah, placement support also will be there. Okay, guys, this is the first day 1 video. You can go and watch. This is day 2 video. Let me copy one more time. Yeah, I'll share classroom link also. Wait, man. Yeah, online students, this is the link for joining the Google Classroom. Offline students who joined today, can you please make a note? This is your Google Classroom to collect the videos, demo class videos. Whoever missed the yesterday class, please note this, EQZ W4MI. Somewhere note down in your notes. Subham garu, give your number in chat window. Offline admin evaro konచెం కనుక్కో నంబర్ ఇవ్వండి నాకు. శ్రీకాంత్ సార్ కాల్ చేసి. Okay. Online students, this is your admin number. Please make a note. Yeah, by Tuesday you have to complete payment, man. Hey, here Raju, please don't join. You are seriously requesting. You will trouble me so much in that syllabus. Today, I'm starting the actual content. Okay, now we'll start subject. Okay, and now today is the first class, Nana. Last class, I have not discussed any subject. Don't worry. All you guys, please participate. Today class very interesting. Okay, you will definitely enjoy. Today class is understanding types of applications. What is our target today, tomorrow class? By today, tomorrow class completed, we want to design our own applications. All are you ready? Yeah? Very much interesting class. You definitely enjoy. Okay. Last class topics, we discussed something else. Leave it. Now today, we are going to understand project design architectures. Number 1, types of applications. Number 2, types of standalone applications. Number 3, types of internet applications. Yeah, Ankita, I will teach Python also. Please try to focus on what I am explaining. End of the session, again, I'll give time for you to ask the questions. Clear? Please, all you guys, please participate. Concentrate on what I am talking. Subject, we entered into subject now. Types of applications, types of standalone applications, types of internet applications, Gmail, Facebook architectures, how Gmail is working, how Facebook is working, and how Flipkart is working, how Myntra is working. Everything we are going to discuss by end of the session. I mean, not end of today, by end of tomorrow. MVC architecture, listen, a new architecture came into market called microservices architecture. Microservices architecture, microservices and there is a special architecture designed by me. You know, MVC architecture, microservices architecture designed by some experts who are working in companies or, you know, a team of people has a design. I specially designed an architecture called LCRP architecture. Okay. Okay. What is this LCRP architecture and all also we will discuss. And then assignment, designing Naresh IT students information system, NSIS project. Again repeating, olden days, people are following an architecture called MVC with LCRP architecture. Now the people have changed the project architecture, microservices architecture. What architecture? Microservices architecture. Come on, repeat everyone. What you are trying to understand first? Types of applications. Okay. In the industry, applications development, there are different types of applications are there. Okay. Types of applications. What the different types of applications are there? The name, the list we are trying to learn. Okay. But why you are writing notes? Did I ask you write notes? Don't write notes. Okay. You have to participate, try to talk. Come out from the college mode, come to the software industry mode. Okay. You don't want to become Java student. You want to become Java software engineer, right? You want to become a software engineer. Software engineer, you know, thought process should start. Come on. Now types of applications, types of standalone applications, types of internet application. Come on, concentrate on the slide. Answer there on your in front of you. How many types of applications we have? Come on, in front of answer you have 2 types. What are the 2 types? Standalone application and internet application. Okay, current discussion I am making is different from the other faculties or trainers or YouTube videos discussion. So there is a big list of types of applications will be there. Around 10-20 applications list will be there. The 10-20 applications list I am going to give you in the coming class on Monday or Tuesday. As of now, any application you touch, any application you consider that will fall under either standalone application category or what? Internet application category only. There is a, you know, technically there are different type of applications are there, but overall category, what? 2 types, standalone and internet. Come on, all living things are divided into 2 categories or not? Human and animal. No, right? What is that? Living and non-living things. All things are divided into 2 things. What is that? Living things and non-living things. Again, living things are divided into 2 things. What is that? Human and animal. Again, human divided into 2 things. You know, male and female. And animal divided into 2 things. What is that? Wild animals and domestic animals or pet animals, whatever. The down category, I'm not going to talk. Okay, I'm talking about top level category. All different kinds of applications are divided into two types, standalone and internet. Then again, standalone applications are of two types. Okay, again, internet applications are of two types. So today we are learning the first three categories of applications. All are you ready? Right. Then tomorrow we are entering into wonderful architecture, Gmail architecture. We are learning how Gmail is working. Then from there we are entering into Facebook architecture also. I will give you assignment in the class only. We will discuss. There I will stop the discussion of this architectures and all. I will introduce different courses you have to learn. Is just core Java is sufficient for it, for completing the project development to become software engineer? Or do I need some more extra courses I have to do? That list we are going to learn. Then following by Monday, again, we are coming back to what? MVC architecture, and then what? Microservices architecture also we are going to learn. Okay, now all are ready for 3 days? 3 days are most important classes. Come on, let's start now. First topic, types of applications. Tell me, how many types of applications we have? Now, the current discussion I'm making, because you joined Java, that's why the name is what? Java. If you join Python, Python. Now, what is your course? Java and Python, right? So what the name will come there? Java and Python supports two types of applications development. Using Python also, we can develop these two applications, standalone applications and internet application. But tell me, is Python is using for developing internet applications? No. It supports, okay, Python has a facility to support, but it is not that much popular in developing internet applications because it doesn't have that many predefined library and different features are not available. Okay, na? So Java supports two types of applications, standalone application and internet application. Okay, now let us try to understand what the meaning of standalone application, what the meaning of internet application. Okay, online students are able to hear me properly? Is my voice is breaking? Any problem? Yeah, people who are facing the voice issue, there is a problem at your end, buddy. There is no problem at my side. Okay, check your internet connections signal strength. Maybe you're watching from mobile. Now, let me give you a small diagram for you to understand it. What is a standalone application? Very simple statement. I have a computer. This is my computer. Small diagram. Generally, I like to explain with the diagrams so that your brain can remember diagrams easily than statements. This is my computer. This is my computer. Generally, the computer that contains a project is called what? Server. What we call a server. A computer that has a project, a computer that installed with a project is called what? Server computer. Okay, no need to write anything, buddy. Just try to listen. Aishwarya, just try to listen and try to reply to questions enough. I'll share the material, na? I'll tell you where the material there, everything. Server computer. Inside server computer, I am placing one project. I can call it as a project or can call it as a application, can call it as a software. Okay, software. Anything, terminology is anything. Now, I have copied one project here, means I have installed one project in this computer. Then, to access this project, this is you, okay? Okay, na? Looking like you only, na? This is you. This is your laptop. Where the project is installed in server computer, in one computer. Now you open your laptop. This is your laptop, Ejum. Ejuma. Feeling a laptop like? Now this is a laptop. And this is your network. Network generally cloud will be shown, okay? See, what is the advantage of my class? Along with Java, you are learning Python free, also Paint also free. Huh? In coming days, PPT also free. Oh my God. How many advantages? Okay. Now, then, what you are doing, you are using your computer, keyboard and mouse. Okay, you are trying to use your computer, keyboard and mouse to access this project. Okay, is it possible or not possible? Come on, answer. This is whose computer? Your computer. From the application point of view, you are called what? Client. Client computer. And this client computer available where? Somewhere far distance. Okay. Also, it is called what? Remote computer. Sometimes we call it as a client computer or remote computer. From the person point of view, client. From the computer point of view, network point of view, we call what? Remote computer. Okay. I have a computer. In that I have installed a project. Now that project is not allowed to access from other computers. I'll catch my point. It is not allowed to access from other computers. What you are doing? You are going from your place to walking, and coming to this computer where you have copy your program. Everyone understand? What are you doing? You are walking. You are going from your place to here. Ayo, this much is bada pets. You are coming to here. And then now you are trying to access in this computer. Then this application is called what? Standalone application. Okay, in simple terms, let me make it as a statement. A program or a application or a project that is installed in one computer can be accessed only from that computer is called what? Standalone application. Khatam. In another way, we can say the program installed in one computer, if it cannot be accessible from other computers via network, then we call it as what? Standalone application. For example, I have Cal-C in my computer, right? In my computer, I have Cal-C. Tell me, all the people open your laptop and access this calculator. Possible or not possible? Not possible. You have calculator in your computer that you can access? Yes. I have calculator in my computer that I can access? Yes. The calculator installed in my computer cannot be accessible from other computer. Then the calculator is called what? Standalone application. Next, antivirus is the antivirus software installed in my computer to scan the virus available in my system. The antivirus installed in my computer, can you access and scan in your computer virus? Not possible. Then antivirus is also called what? Standalone application. In simple term, I can say, or more simple term, I can say, a single user, single computer application is called what? Standalone. That means at a time, okay, while I am working on this calculator, when I am doing calculations, can you also use one more keyboard, connect to my system and can you use it? No, right? When I am using, only I can use. Can you use? No. When I am trying to do any changes in this application, can you do the changes? No. So what is a standalone application? Totally 4 ways I can understand standalone application. Number 1, a program or a project that is installed in one computer that can be accessible only in that computer is called it as what? Standalone application. A program that is installed in one computer that cannot be accessible from other computers via internet is called what? A standalone application. A single user or a single application, a single user, single computer application is called what? Standalone application. All people understand? For example, calculator, antivirus, MS Office, Notepad, PPT, all these are the examples of what? Internet. All these are examples of standalone application. Tell me, have you ever installed what you call a VLC media player in your computer? For playing some videos and audios, right? VLC media player is a standalone application or internet application? Come on, everyone should answer. Standalone or internet? Standalone. Why? You are installing, na? Any software you download, exe file you download into downloads folder, double click and installed in your computer. Katham. It is what? Standalone application. Is it na? Anybody feeling difficult? Easy, huh? Without knowing this clarity, standalone application, internet application, without having this clarity, understanding Java, Python, or a programming language nowadays is impossible. Okay, all people are maybe expecting first day hello world, second day addition, third day subtraction, fourth day close the batch. No, right? So that kind of mindset, if you are not suitable for software industry. We are here for becoming what? Software engineer. We are here for developing applications. So you should understand what is an application, okay? What is a software, or what is a standalone application? What is an internet application? This clarity you should have. That's what we are trying to understand today. All you guys understood this application now? Right. Now, can you tell me what is an internet application? Come on, guess. What is an internet application? Very simple. Copy paste of this diagram. Huh? Any objection if I copy paste? Copy paste of this diagram. Tell me, do I need to go anywhere here? No. Let me take this. You no need to go anywhere. Let it install in the server computer. You have to be only at your computer. Open your computer. In your computer, open what? Browser. Yes or no? In browser, you are going to type something called URL. You know URL? Gmail.com, Flipkart.com, Facebook.com. That .com is nothing but what we call URL. Amazon.in. Okay, that's called URL. Once you type URL, and press enter key, then what happened? Now the request is going, what we call it as request. Okay, now a request is going to where? Server computer. Tell me, now the server computer accepts our request? Yes. Server computer accepts our request, and now that application, whatever available in the server computer, is responding to our program. Then what we call this application as standalone application or internet application? Why we call it as internet application? Because I am able to access this application via internet. That's why it is called what? Internet application. Now you may ask me question, sir, I don't want to access from my computer. I want to go again to here, sir. From here, I want to access. Possible or not possible? Possible. A internet application can be accessible from a remote computer, also can be accessible from within the same computer also. Both are possibility is there. Is it clear my point? Now my question, within the computer also, how I should access? By using browser only. An application that is available in one server computer and that can be accessible via internet from the browser using URL, then we call it as what? Internet application. Without a browser, without URL, I cannot access this application. Then we call it as what? Internet application. Everyone understand? Can you prepare a statement? What is internet application? An application that is installed in one computer that can be accessible via internet from other computers is called what? Internet application. Tell me, a internet application is a single user, single computer application or multi-user, multi-computer application? Multi-user, multi-computer. So where the application is available? In one system. Where you are accessing that application? From another computer by one user. Tell me, another user some other place also, can he open his own computer? Yes. Can open browser and by using same URL can access? Yes. At this point of the time, throughout the world, how many people can access Facebook? Many people. Instagram, how many people can access? Many people. So tell me, Instagram and Facebook, Gmail, or what type of applications? Internet application. Everyone understand? Tell me. Now after class completed, can you remember these points? Why? Notes not there, no? Everybody. Are you writing notes? No. But still you are, can you remember or cannot remember? याद रखेंगे? कैसे? आपको मोबाइल है? मोबाइल में क्या कर रहा है? इंस्टाग्राम ऐप ओपन कर रहा है, आपको इंस्टाग्राम है, देख रहा है, और रील्स का भैया रील्स, कमान बोला नहीं, क्या क्या कर रहा है रूम में, सोच रहा है क्या, पूरी जवाब पढ़ रहे हैं, वाह, थर्ड डे okay, okay, no problem, come on. So tell me, now class completed. Once the class completed, immediately you open mobile. In mobile, you open Facebook, what do you call WhatsApp? Tell me, WhatsApp messages, any messages came or not? Are you checking or not? All are ready? I'm now confusing you. Ready to confuse? Pakka. Tell me that WhatsApp is standalone internet. Everyone should answer. Bolo, standalone internet. WhatsApp app is standalone internet. Instagram app is standalone or internet? Huh? Facebook app is standalone or internet? Standalone. Internet. Okay. Gmail app, you are checking your mails, na any mails came or not. Gmail app is standalone or internet? So I am won my race. Okay. All people are saying internet. Wrong answer. Standalone. Kaise raha bhai? Oh, without internet connection, those applications will not work, no? Yes or no? Without internet connection, those applications will not work. So how they can be a standalone application? Standalone applications work without internet, no? Come on. Tell me. Internet application, standalone application work without internet. Whereas internet application should work with what? Internet. So WhatsApp application, Instagram application, or what type of application? Internet application. Yes or no? Yes or no? There is a confusion. That confusion will be cleared by end of today class or by tomorrow class. Okay. But one thing I want you to learn. What is the statement I told you? Come on. Any application downloaded and installed in your system, then it is what? Standalone. Much better. Everyone forgot the basic point. What is the standalone application? Again, repeat. An application that we download and installed in our system. System and not only computer, mobile also, any electronic device. That is called what? Standalone. Okay, all the people do one thing. You have WhatsApp app in your mobile. Your friend also has a WhatsApp app in his mobile. Are you accessing your friend WhatsApp app from your mobile? No, right? Possible or not possible? Not possible. Listen, try to understand. By using the WhatsApp app installed in your mobile, are you accessing your friend WhatsApp app or server WhatsApp app? Server side available WhatsApp app you are accessing. Are you understand? Then now tell me, the application you installed in your mobile is standalone, and server side available the remaining part, the second part of the application is what? Internet. All you realize na? Shall I ask another confusion question? Pakka you will give wrong answer. Tell me, the browser, I have this one, this browser is standalone or internet? Standalone or internet? Standalone or internet? Hey, internet, no? See, browser is meant for accessing internet, na? But it is an internet application. You have downloaded and installed in my computer. Yes or no? Then what is this browser application is? Standalone. Using this standalone application, I am accessing what? Internet. Samajh mein aaya? This browser with flipkart.com. This browser with flipkart.com URL. Browser with flipkart.com URL is your Flipkart app in your mobile. Samajh mein aaya? Right. Now, when I press enter key, the front page home page is loaded here or not? This browser plus this home page of the Flipkart both together is your mobile app. Next, tell me, I open browser again open browser. I'm typing Amazon.in. Tell me, now this second browser plus Amazon.in, this home page together is our Amazon app in our mobile. Are you catching my point? Right. In our laptop, in our desktop or laptop, we have single software to access any web application running in the world. That is called what? Browser with that application URL. But in a small bacha mobile, open the browser, typing that URL, changing from one app to another app, it's very difficult. That's why people have invented a concept called what? Apps, applications. Understand my point? So the browser is dedicated, one browser is dedicated for one website. That's why it is called what? App. What app it is called? Client app. What we call a client app. Tell me, the server side running one more remaining part of the application there. That part of application is called what? Internet. Okay, right. More details we are going to understand in the next slide. At this minute, I want you to understand one thing. What is that? Simple point. Java supports two types of applications. Number one, standalone application. Number two, internet application. An application that can be accessed and executed only in one computer in which it is installed is called standalone application. It cannot be accessed and executed from remote computer through internet. In simple terms, a program or an application that is downloaded and installed in my computer, Katham, it is what? A standalone application. Next, what is internet application? Tell me, are you downloading and installing internet application in your computer? No. Right? An application that can be accessed and executed from remote system through network is called what? Internet application. Hope you all understand now. This is the diagram, simple diagram. So I have a server computer, I have a program here. Tell me, I have installed the program in the server computer and I'm accessing within the server computer. If you access within the server computer, what we call it as? Local call. Come on, olden days before this, all the India, this, internet connections all becoming not cheap, very costly. That time we have three types of calls. Local call. Next we have STD call and we have ISTD call. Remember? Before WhatsApp and all not came, we have three levels of calls for charging more money. You are calling to your mother or father within a same state. Then what we call it as? Local call. You are calling to your friend who is there in another state. Then we are within the same India, another state, what we call STD. You are calling to your friend who is there in US or UK and shouting bigger, hello, hello, right? Shout bigger shouting. No? You shouted bigger or small you talk, the voice will be the same level, right? I don't know. Even any of your friend in hostel shouting like that on mobile? Arey, don't shout like that, okay? Even you shouted also, slowly, hello, talking also, same voice will travel. Okay, na? Right. So tell me, now within the same computer, if you access a program, we technically call it as what? Local call. You are accessing program from another computer via internet, then what we call it as network call, local call, STD, ISTD kind of concept. Okay. And the second diagram, what you have? Server system. We have a program. This program we are accessing within the local call or we are accessing from other system, also called what? Network call. So this program available for both local system, also from other system. Can hope all you got clarity on types of applications? Right. You want write notes? You want write notes? I'll give time. You want write? Because initial days, 1 or 2 days, if you write, maybe you'll connect it, right? Tomorrow onwards, I'm expecting all the people to come to the class with A4 size paper book. Okay? A4 size paper book like this. Okay, na? Small books, no. Give me. Yeah. This kind of small book, don't maintain. A4 size paper book you have to maintain. Online students, you also. Okay? A4 size paper book, go to bookstall and buy A4 size paper book binding, spiral binding book you buy. Why? Slowly, we are going to more working with diagrams like this. If you write small, if you maintain small bacha book, this kind of diagrams clearly you cannot write. Okay? And I'll show you. Can we make who? You are Mia. Gauri, Monica. You are. Why? Why Nana? How much pages need? Okay, look at here. I'm going to explain you Java with what architectures na. So big architectures, we are going to write diagrams like this. Okay, na? Like this, JVM architecture diagrams. Okay, and you have to maintain program next to the program. Look at that. This is a big diagram you have to write. If you write small pages, book diagrams will be very difficult. Then understood? And you write, look at this. You write program, next to the program, you should also maintain diagram, execution flow diagram. Program, next to program, diagram. So if you maintain small books, can you maintain diagram like this? No. And slowly, I am going to develop what projects also. Na? Look at here. We are going to develop projects. When I'm developing projects, you have to write again diagrams like this. Okay. Now you have to write diagrams like this. The flow of execution of the project you have to write. Big diagram will come step by step like this. Okay. And code you have to write how much, this much. Okay. While writing the code, side you write small diagrams, small diagrams. Okay. Comments you are going to add, comments you are adding. So if you want to understand this much heavy project, then small books are not good. That's why maintain A4 size paper book. Clear my point? Right. So by end of our course completed, we are going to develop what? Projects. Yesterday I told you, when you join in the company is your project is first project or second project? Company. In company, when you join the company, you're writing projects company, right? That's the first or second? Second project. Already in the class, we are developing first project, no? Complete end-to-end, exactly like in company, how you are writing, same way we will develop, including, file system. In file system, we are maintaining, this is account number. Tell me, in real life, account number is generating by the bank backend, na? Look at that. Account number I am generating practically. Bank.java. Okay. Next what? Bank account.java. Okay. Look at the bank name details are reading background from the file. So lot of code exactly as in the real life. Look at that. We are going to generate the account. We will get the account number from the file. Exactly like in the real life applications development only. Variable name, method name, projects, everything we are going to develop. So for that, you have to maintain a big notes. Okay. So as of now, whatever the notes you have, you try to write, and next class we will maintain what? Big notes. Okay. Sorry, let me continue. Tomorrow I'll dictate the notes. Is it okay? So tomorrow you come to the class with clear big notes, and then I will start dictating tomorrow. Now let me move to the next point. What is the next point? Hope you understand standalone application and internet applications. Now can you started realizing this class and connect this class with your real life? Every day, once the class completed, this topic I connected to your real life. And every minute you will observe my class in your real life, so that revision will be done automatically without your knowledge. Okay. Now let me come to the standalone application. All the people look at here. I'm going to open one program I am opening here called command prompt. There is an application called what? Command prompt. Tell me. Now this command prompt application is CUI based application or okay, first you tell me, this command prompt application is standalone application or internet application? Standalone application. How can I say it is a standalone application? Because it is installed in my computer and your computer. But don't take after the class, okay? So as long as you are in the classroom, my system and your system, both systems are what? Same. Whatever the work I am doing, same work you have to do in your system also. Now, this is a standalone application because it is installed in my system and accessing the mouse and keyboard of my system. That's why it's standalone. Next, is the standalone application is a CUI based application or a GUI based application? Come on. CUI based or GUI based? Hey, first of all, tell me what is CUI, what is GUI? Without teaching CUI, GUI, how can I confirm what new nonsense question you are asking? Correct? Then you have to come to one conclusion. Oh, there are two types of standalone applications are there. Okay. When I ask a question, from the question you have to come to a conclusion. We have two types of standalone application. Number one, CUI based application. Number two, GUI based application. 1 second, sir. Internet, YouTube students, what they are doing, let me check. YouTube attending students, already understanding? Teaching, can I get it? Acharya, you can get easily as an experienced person, you have to try. Okay, chalo. Now CUI based applications and GUI based application. What is CUI based application? Let me show you practically and then I'll prepare a statement. Now I am taking, look at here, open command prompt. Command prompt is a software. Let me change the font, buddy. Hello. Windows 11 updated. Settings, appearance, color. These on tab working, command prompt. Appearances, font size. No, I don't want to increase the font. I want to change color. I don't like this one. Background image. Okay. Text to fonts. Okay, guys, I'll check it out later. Okay. Theme. Where is theme? Yeah, I'll check it out and let you know. Color schemes here. Yeah, font, color scheme font. Now I want default this one. Oh. Ma? Where? Okay. Dot. Okay. Okay, I'll check it out. Okay. This is a latest version. Okay. And now, look at here. I'll find out how to change these colors. Actually, I don't like these colors. Now, observe here. I'm going to run one addition program. Please understand, sir. It's an easy Java addition. I'm running one Java program. When I press enter, this program is running in a separate window or in the same console window. This is called, this command prompt window is called what? Console. Okay, na? In the same console window, it is running by giving what? 10 and by giving what? 20. And result is what? 30. And now tell me, the class addition or the program called addition is running in the same console window and providing us the front-end text messages. Enter first number. It is asking us enter first number, enter second number. Result is what? So we call this addition program as CUI. All guys understand? So what is CUI application? CUI stands for Console User Interface. CUI stands for Console or Character User Interface. If a program reads inputs directly from the console by providing characters-based information, we call this program as CUI application. Now, once again, try to observe this. I am running Java edition. Now, this Java edition program is running in console directly and providing you character message asking the inputs, enter first number, enter second number, enter result. So now this is called CUI. Now I am taking another application. Observe now, Java GUI something. Okay, Java edition GUI. The moment when I run this program, it is opening separate window. Guys, understood? A separate window is open. Same text messages it is also asking. What is that? Enter first number. I am giving 10. Enter second number 20. Result also I only type. Result I only type 30. Then why this application? Yeah, right? I should click on what? Add. When I click on add button, now I am getting what? Result. Now I am click on clear button. When I click on clear button, all the data is gone. Again, I am typing different value 40, 50. Click on add. Now all you people tell me the addition program what I have run first. It is a CUI or GUI? CUI. The second addition program now this is CUI or GUI? GUI. What the meaning of CUI? What the meaning of GUI? CUI means character user interface application. Interface is nothing but a screen through which end user interacting with your application. Tell me, all you people wanted to buy some products on the Amazon. Then front end one screen is open. Na? That front end screen is technically called what? User interface screen, UI screen. That UI screen is CUI based or GUI based? Come on, you think and tell me. Amazon application that is CUI based or GUI based? GUI, graphical user interface. Buttons are there, text boxes are there, labels are there, right? Colors are there, fonts are there, some images are there. Then what we call it as? GUI. And nothing there, just a black and white screen is there, and it is only showing the messages, enter first number, enter second number, and result is this. Then this application is called what? CUI. Tell me, what type of applications you like? CUI based applications you like or GUI based applications you like? GUI based. Why? Because color and fonts and images good, na? Right? And not only that, it's a user friendly. Okay, it is giving full information. Come again. Again, I am running this program. Clear screen. Java edition. When I run, how many values so should I enter? Do you have any information here? Enter first number, enter. Next it is asking second number. Next it is asking third number. Do I have the complete information? How many values I should enter? No. Whereas if you take GUI application, do you have complete information there? Yes. Do you have complete information here? How many values you have to enter? How the result is coming on displaying? Tell me. For the end user, GUI based applications only good to develop. All real-time applications are what type of applications? GUI. GUI stands for graphical user interface. If a program reads inputs by providing a separate window with a required number of labels, text boxes, buttons, etc., we call this program as GUI application. Hope everyone understand. For example, I open console and I type Java edition. Now, the edition program is running in the console window by providing character information. Then we call it as what? CUI. Now, the same edition program I am running in console window, a separate window is open showing the required number of text boxes, labels, and buttons. Then we call it as what? GUI. So, comfortable, all the people? Maybe, the statements, big statements, maybe you cannot remember at this stage. But team understand, when you see this program, can you easily identify it is a CUI or it is GUI? Today onwards, any application you open, you must start identifying it is CUI or GUI. Tell me, sir, is there any chance you come across CUI applications? No. In real time, will you come across any CUI application? No. All applications are what? GUI only. There is no CUI. But, there are some LED screens, some text is scrolling. Yesterday, I told you stock market. When you watch, ETV news, at last, it will show the, stock market board, this much loss, this much profit, Sensex is this, Nifty is this, these many points are gained, these many points are dropped. So now some screen is running, na? Tell me, that screen is CUI or GUI? CUI. That screen is what? CUI. So that LED screens are what? CUIs. And application, we are interacting the application, buying, selling is nothing but what? GUI. So slowly, you have to start use our Java knowledge in your real life. Tell me, now feeling so hungry now. Class completed 6:30, 7:30. Now you went to Amoga tiffin shop. Okay. Then there you wanted to buy one plate of samosa and one chai, samosa chai. Then the cash, you go to cashier, you are giving 10 rupees or 20, how much? 10 rupees, 20 rupees, anything you are getting nowadays. All right. Sir, 50 rupees you gave. Then tell me, he is also having one software dabba, one dabba there in front of him. Then he is now start typing some code number of each item. Na? Tell me, that application is CUI or GUI? CUI. Ayyo, the dabba has a text box. The dabba has a buttons. The dabba has labels. Then CUI or GUI? The complete application list, what are the different items available, entire list is menu showing to him, na? That is CUI or GUI? How many items you are selecting, complete list is showing there are, na? CUI or GUI? Just now I told you, all real-time applications are GUI. CUI application finding is very, very rare. All are catching my point? Now onwards, wherever you are going, you should identify that application is standalone application or internet application. Then next you should identify that application is CUI application or GUI application. Tell me, every internet application is dash type of application, standalone or CUI or GUI? GUI only, CUI not possible. Are you catching my point? It must be GUI only because it should have its own window with all the details it has to run with its own window. Everyone understand 4 points? Standalone application. An application that we install in one computer and running is called what? Standalone application. An application that is installed in one computer, downloading to another computer and running, or accessible from another computer and running, it is called what? Internet application. Calculator is CUI application, and all our internet application, nothing but Facebook.com, Flipkart.com, all these are what? Internet application. And our mobile apps are also standalone application. Using mobile apps, what we are accessing further, the remaining half application background running is called what? Internet application. Every standalone application comes under 2 types. Number 1, CUI type and GUI type. A program that is running in the console screen and showing some character messages to the user to read inputs is called what? CUI application. It is also called character-based or console-based user interface application. An application that shows a separate window separate window, and then it is asking the inputs to enter is called what? GUI application. All internet applications are by default GUI application. Standalone application can be CUI or also can be GUI, but internet applications can be only GUI. Can I hope all the people got clarity on 4 points? Right. Tomorrow we will continue our class and understand types of internet applications, their purpose, and Gmail architecture also we are learning tomorrow. Tomorrow class is very important. Tomorrow Saturday, so holiday. Tomorrow Saturday holiday. Weekend na. First day na, if you are not coming to the class, and how much you are giving importance to your career. So tomorrow, no holiday. Tomorrow we are continuing our class. Tomorrow we are concluding our discussion, what we are learning. Okay, na? Right. So everyone should come tomorrow. Tomorrow class is very important class. Okay. Thank you. That's all for today class. You said websites are geo obligation behind the HTML. Vivek Kumar, your point is correct. That I'll discuss in tomorrow class. Okay, na? Vivek Kumar, super question you raised. Wonderful question you raised. Tomorrow I'll give you clarity on that. Yeah, Raj Kumar, I have shared Google Classroom, na? Have you collected? Yeah, let me share Google Classroom one more time. This is the Google Classroom link. Please join here. Here you have website doesn't come under standalone application. You are internet, right? You are accessing via browser. Yeah, Rishabh Srivastav. Even you are 2014 batch. Oh my God. Oh, okay. Thank you, Nana. You are my old batch student. Okay. How are you, buddy? What are you doing now? Yeah. Bhushan, tomorrow I'm going to discuss that point also. Okay. Any desk software comes under CUI or GUI. Tomorrow I'm going to explain that. Rajini, please watch today class one more time, which is already there in the YouTube. Okay. Okay, Nana. Yeah, YouTube lo kuda చూడొచ్చు. Yeah, this is already shared link, buddy. Just you click on it. Click on this link. Yeah. Ankita, tomorrow I'll give you more examples. Clear? Tomorrow I'll dictate the notes and also I'll give you examples and everything detailing tomorrow class. Core Java is a part of Java. Java has totally 7 levels. 7 different parts are there. In Java, Core Java is one part. Ajay Vemula. Okay? Yeah, assignments will start from tomorrow. Gauri, why you want to become a notes writer here? I mean, not required. Everything I will share the Word document. Okay? I'll share complete material. You no need to prepare material. Only you have to write notes. If you write notes, points will be stored in your brain. The soft copy material, everything I will share to you. Okay? You no need to maintain soft copy. No, Core Java is not enough. You need some more. You need for campus placement, you need CRT, DS. Tomorrow I'm going to give you the details. Okay, what the different courses you have to do, all the details I'll give in tomorrow class. Okay, guys, good night. I have another class now to take. See you all tomorrow. It's a core Java.